Welcome back. We're working in section 2 of module 19 now, additional Excel features. This section has to do with the little feature Excel has called a goal seeker. The goal seeker is very handy if you know that maybe you want to make a big purchase, but you don't know things like what should the interest rate be, or what could the term in months, or what will the monthly payment be. Those types of things, if you know some of the variables, Excel can spit out the other variables for you. Let me give you a good example of how the goal seeker actually works. For this loan workbook, you can see that I know the principal amount is $18,000. I've got the interest rate set at 12%, the term in months at 60, and that makes my monthly payment $400.40. If I click over where the monthly payment is, there's actually a formula here that basically says if you change any of these numbers, go ahead and change the monthly payment, and you'll see that it changes. Now let's say, as an example, I go over here and I change the interest rate to 6%. That obviously changes my payment to $347. What if I know that I can pay $375 a month, but I don't really know what interest rate that would allow? Well, Excel will actually tell me this if I use the Goal Seeker feature. The Goal Seeker is part of a group of features we call the What If Analysis grouping. I'm going to go ahead and click on the monthly payment for a moment. If you're under the Data tab, you'll notice that over here where it says Forecast, there's a group of options under What If Analysis. And one of these is called Goal Seek. Now here's how the Goal Seek works. I'm already clicked in F4 where my formula is. That's how it knows which cell it's going to change the value in. It wants me to tell it in the second one what the value should be. I've decided it's 375. This third one wants to know which cell should it change to set F4 at $375. And we've decided it's going to be the interest rate. I'm going to hit OK or Enter, and now it tells me that to get to 375 with the other variables staying the same, my interest rate has to be 9.2%. That's how the Goal Seek works. Now I could do the same thing if I want to keep the interest rate but maybe change the principal. I can change any of these variables. The next little feature I want to talk to you about in section 3 is called Text to Columns. Let's go ahead and flip over there and I will show you how that option works.